today's video, I will show you how to make this beaded ear. And also you can make this like a pendant. So let's start. Now our materials are 8mm of pearl beads, 6mm of bicone beads, and 4mm of rondel beads, Miyuki 11O gold seed beads, and Miyuki 80 gold seed beads, ear wires or ear hook, and jump ring. Our thread is a beading nylon thread, 0.20mm of size. We will use, I think, 100 centimeter. And beading needle, this is a Miyuki beading needle, size 12. So let's start. So we will pick 5 8mm of pearl beads. Drop it and let's knot them. Knot them. You don't have to leave tail thread because you don't need them. And then I will reinforce them once again. And I will knot them again 2 times. That's it. And the next is pick 180 needle here all the way around. And here also. We'll go here, pass the needle here, once again here also. Sorry. And I will cut the tail thread because we don't need them. And then the next is pick 2. Pick 3 80 seed beads, 1 8mm of pearl beads, and drop it, 3 80 seed beads. Pass the needle here to the next seed beads and make the same process all the way around here. So I will do it once again. Three 80, 8mm pearl beads, 80, and here. 3 80, 8mm of pearl beads, and 3 80. Like this. And then pick again 80, and then 1 8mm and 80 seed beads. And this time we will pass the needle here and to these 3 seed beads, up to these 3 seed beads. And we will go to the next process. So we will pick 2 8/0, 1 rondel beads, and 1 11/0 rondel, and 2 8/0. Pass the needle to this 1 seed beads and pick this 6mm bicone beads, and we will pass the needle here to these 8/0 seed beads. Like this. So we will make it all the way around. The same process. 2 8/0 rondel, 11/0 rondel, 8/0, 2 8/0 seed beads. Pass the needle here. One 6mm bicone beads and pass the needle here to this one. And pick 8/0, 2 8/0, 1 rondel beads, 1 11/0, 1 rondel beads, and 2 8/0. Give it some pull, and 6mm bicone beads, two 8/0, 1 rondel beads, 1 11/0, 1 rondel beads, and 2 8/0. Like this. One 6mm of bicone beads. Pass the needle here to this 8/0 seed beads, and pick 8/0 again, 2 8/0, 1 rondel, 1 11/0, 1 rondel beads, and 2 8/0. Like this. And pass the needle here. Pick 6mm of bicone beads. So we will count 1 2 3 third 8/0 seed beads and pass the needle to these 4 beads. Like this. And the next step is we will pick 2 11/0, 1 8/0, and 2 11/0. So we will exiting here. We will pass the needle to these rondel beads and 8/0 seed beads. These 3. This 1 rondel beads and 3 8/0 seed beads. And I will pass the needle here to this 6mm and go to this 3 8/0 seed beads and rondel beads. So we will make this all the way around. Pick 2 11/0, 1 8/0, and 2 11/0. Pass the needle here and pick 2 11/0, 1 8/0, and 2 11/0. Go here and pass the needle here to this rondel and 3 8/0 seed beads. Make sure that 8/0 seed beads is popping. Pass the needle to these beads, 6mm and 3 8/0 seed beads and rondel beads. 2 11/0 and 8/0 and 2 11/0. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe for more new updates. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and I appreciate it. And pick 2 11/0, 1 8/0 and 2 11/0. So we are near so far to and pass the needle here, pass the needle to this 11/0, skip this 8/0 like this, and pass the needle to this 11/0, and we will do it all the way around like this. Pass the needle here, here, and here. Go here, and we will finish our earrings, and not done. So I will cut the thread and ta-da, done. We will attach the ear hooks. It's all done. Reform them. like this. So wait a minute. Ear hook is not the same. There are different kind of ear hook. Sorry. So we will attach the other ear hook, the pair one. Done. So thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.